Get your own professional customer support platform. Go to Wix.com Answers and get a help center, ticketing system, and call center, all in one place. Start by creating your knowledge base with articles, FAQs, tutorials, and more. You can add lists, images, videos, and translating articles is easy. Display the articles you create in your help center to give customers the information they need. It's easy to set up and fully customizable. The multi-channel ticketing system lets you reply to customers more efficiently, no matter how they get in touch. And with the built-in call center, you'll get your own 1-800 number to make and take calls. The platform also gives you valuable insights into your content, tickets, and team so that you can make better decisions for your business. Wix Answers is the platform built and used by Wix to support over 120 million users. Now you can use it too. Go to Wix.com Answers today.